you can specify what do you want to do out of that, which data you want to look at, which collection you want to look at. It totally depends on how intelligently you can ask questions. It'll have answers to you, added with your experience, added with your creativity.
Hello, Vietnamese manufacturing fans. Today we're talking to Sunil from India. And Sunil, briefly introduce yourself in the context of AI.
Hi friends, I'm Sunil Arora. I was a professor with NIFT, then with FIT New York, and then with London and Paris Schools of Fashion. So done a lot of work on the education side of things, almost like 7-8 years. But besides that, I've been involved with the fashion industry in terms of solution providing on technology and consulting on high-end technology adoption to make them more efficient and growth ready. So that's what I do. I've been doing that for the last 40 years with more than 1,000 clients globally in almost like 50-55 countries.
How do you see artificial intelligence transforming the fashion industry?
It's a savior which has come through the fashion industry, I would say, because fast enough it is starting to give various tangible results to the industry, be it any kind of analysis or in product development or in design or some forecasting of demands or sustainability issues or competitor analysis, anything, anywhere where data is involved. And fortunately, data is involved everywhere. How good is your data and how to analyze that and generate what kind of results and analysis out of that, be it predictive analysis, be it demand forecasting, be it any kind of competitor analysis, or selecting which fabrics, talking about consumer behavior, talking about various other kind of things in terms of design. It's all becoming so very easy, and your creativity, your intelligence, your thoughtfulness is further augmented by utilizing AI in a big way.
Okay, so there's a lot of apps that are being created every day based on the AI technology for unlimited use cases. I personally have never thought about seeking an app based on AI technology that can help with design. Do you know of any apps that have been
there? I mean, I do not wish to name a few or anything of that kind. All these are easily findable scenarios on Google. You need to try them. Most of them are free to start with. You easily can try and see, easy to work upon. The biggest advantage of AI scenario is it's easy to learn. It's easy to adopt. You can try it for some time and then go on to that.
Okay, so you're saying that designers in Paris, New York, London, Tokyo, Moscow are now using AI-based applications to help develop collections, do trend forecasting?
Undoubtedly. They are all using it. All the products that they have been using till now, be it any kind of a cat product which you talk about, or any of the names that most browseware and this and that, there are several names available.
So do you have some real life examples of how AI has disrupted the traditional runway model of fashion trends and just disrupting that whole Vogue magazine? You've got to go to the runway shows to see what the high-end fashion designers are putting out for their new collections, and then all the rest of the industry just follows what's coming out of Paris, London, New York, and Tokyo. But now with AI and how quickly you can create virtual collections, do you see any kind of disruption?
It's a big disruption because you have the possibility of extensive amount of data available to you. You earlier had it also, but you need to research on it. Earlier, the research was a tedious process. Research required 15 days of work or 1 month of work. The same scenario is now available in a few minutes. So, and you can specify what do you want to do out of that, which data you want to look at, which collection you want to look at, which period you want to look at, what are you wanting to have, which categories are you looking at, and this category to go with which combination of things, which background of things. It totally depends on how intelligently you can ask questions. it will have answers to you,
Sure.
which added with your competence, added with your experience, added with your creativity, can give much faster results, which are absolutely unthought of, unimagined earlier. And this is great way in which the industry can easily work and have the problems of fast timing in which they were wanting the collections to be done, or
Okay.
speed of things
Yeah.
is very, very highly improved.
Okay.